Sound check, since we do not use the USB camera, USB microphone, mini microphone. So earlier we use it while it is attached in our action cam, but now I detach it, so just wanna check if it's really working or compatible with SJ6 Legend action cam. Thank you. Sound check for this mini USB microphone that we have purchased from Shopee, which arrived this morning. This is the one that I purchased from Shopee. So this is just a testing if this gonna work. So this is sound check again. After this we will watch and check if it really recognize our mic, and if it is compatible with our SJ6 Legend, because according to the description, this is only intended for for GoPro Hero 3. So I just hope it will work with our action cam. And bye for now. I will just try to check if it's working. Thank you very much. It's really working for SJ6 Legend. Thank you very much.